YouTube. We're bailing. Woo! We are currently at 877 bales. Yeehaw! Yee! Get her bailing, son! I got the loader bucket raised up so that way I can drive right behind the rake too if I need to. Just like this. Yeehaw! Hey, I'm just trying to keep everybody happy here. Hey, look, there's piles of hay everywhere. Half here full. Beep, beep. Well, the thing is, somehow my PTO got shut off, so that's why there's lots of hay like this. Another bale! 878 bales now. Just about. Alright, bales out. And it's going to count here a second. 878 bales. Yeah!